Generic collections changed how we write C# code. Before them, developers used ArrayList, which stored everything as objects. It worked, but it wasn't type-safe and caused performance issues due to boxing and unboxing value types. With ArrayList, you had to first define the ArrayList, then you would add some items, but then whenever you needed a value, you had to cast it every time. This was both error-prone because the compiler couldn't catch type errors, and slow because of the boxing overhead. With generics, you just write, let's say, list, then you define the type, then you just add the values, and you can just read them, no casting is needed. You get better performance because no boxing occurs, full IntelliSense support showing you the actual types, and compile time safety, catching errors before runtime. Today, ArrayList is obsolete and should never be used in new code.